The Measuring Communities online portal enables you to view the house data in 3 different ways: table, graph, or map. The table format is appropriate when you want to look at data from many counties within a state, or if you want to view multiple data fields within an indicator. Enter the site through the Topics tab, or type in what you want to look at, such as children, into the search bar, and the indicators will appear. Once on the Topics tab, select your topic. Next, click on the Table View Directly, or click View Data. The table view is the quickest way to get data, but the View Data selection shows all the available data for the topic area. If you choose to view data, select the indicator you would like to look at. Next, I'll refine the results by typing in the state, counties, and years. After the selections are made, you can choose up to 5 data fields at one time. Click and submit your custom table, and it will generate. You can view the data in the table, print, or download as an Excel or CSV file. To download the entire table, click the Download All button. This is a nice feature if you want more than the 5 fields you originally selected. If you would like to get more data, you can select New Indicators and Data Fields, and click Refresh, and the new data will appear. As you download additional files, you can merge them together to create your own custom database.